You still missed it.
Raindrops is focused on the window and not anything else.
Oh, nice.
Fuck!
Goddamn, fuck. There goes our little visitor.
Run away, run away! We don't know where that person is.
The car's been here since we got here.
You know what?
Did you just miss that?
You see this? Wait, there we go.
How the hell?
That's like number 10.
How did you miss that?
I don't know.
Keep the camera pointed straight in front of your freaking face. Stop looking around. You might not miss one.
Okay, we're gonna look in this open area for now. You know what I'm gonna do? Unplug this scanner. Stuff that up there. Okay. I hope this is not ruining my radio. Right over the car. I'd make a farting joke, but let everybody else insert their own joke.
I just climbed out of the rearview mirror.
Okay.
Behind us again. Nope,
oh shit! Okay, now the sky's getting light enough that this is not... The contrast is really shitty. Okay, now that we're all nice and focused and I just soaked myself. And there's a break in the clouds over there, you can't see it.
Not sure where that one was, didn't see it.
And now we have the back side. There should be clear skies right here, but it's overpowering the camera and it's turning white. And now we're gonna go see what an hour's worth of wind does to Lake Superior. here comes some big ones. Whoa! Time to back up.
More big ones you don't want to back up.
Go back here. Get the boat lift out of the way. Okay, more video of the Mammatus just because it's so cool. Weather geek alert, weather geek alert. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Random interruption.
Yes, gotta have those. Why are you running away?
Gee, I wonder.
You gotta get some traveling footage. Go around this one.
My car doesn't like this hill.
Going up or down?
Going up. Random hill.
See if we can make the light. Come on.
It gets through about there when it starts speeding.
Oh, poop.
And it breaks out. It almost doesn't have enough oomph to get up the hill.
Okay, taking videos of anything through this window is the problem. So we're going to make sure we watch the light and cut it off at 80 seconds. Just because the memory card is not full yet, more Mammatus.
Why am I not surprised? I figured you were going to do that. That's okay, that's what I get for having a weather geek for boyfriend.
Oh, you can't see them.
What? Oh, bird?
Oh, the puffy clouds. That is the scientific term for those clouds. Believe it.
Don't forget, you need to put a new sticker on your car.
Oh, yes.
Since you had the side ones, you just need the back one.
It is not fully stickered up yet anymore. I need a new one. Back to the Mammatus.
Don't step up when you step in the car.
La 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 la. We can slowly make it over to the food.
Sounds good. I'm hungry.
Whoa! That's definitely going to be cut out. Giant puddles that I just stepped in.
It's a really nice, really dark color behind you off to that side. Really
dark.
You should watch when you're walking.
I try. Okay, I don't think I can stretch this out any longer, so see you later.